Hello. Thank you for purchasing a TESY Cloud electrical convector. We at TESY have created this video to help you with the Wi-Fi settings of your appliance. You can download the application for Android-based smartphones and tablets from the Google Play Store. iOS devices, please search the App Store using the keywords TESY Cloud. After installing and starting the application, you can select the language of the interface from 24 options. In order to use the application, you need to register as a user, fill in a valid email address and a password to access your account, and also enter your name. Check your email box for an email from us and click on the link to validate your account. A new window will pop up with a confirmation that your account has been activated. Then you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network of the convector. For this purpose, you have to open the window with accessible Wi-Fi networks on your smart device and to select the network of the convector starting with TCH from the list of available networks. When successfully connected, a new window will open automatically, providing access to the convector's settings. If this doesn't happen, type in the browser of your smart device the IP address 10.0.0.1 from which you'll access the interface for operation. Use the button in the top right-hand corner to select your preferred language. In order for the convector to be accessible via the internet, you need to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. From the main menu, select Settings, then Internet Connection, and press Scan for Networks. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your network's access password. It's preferable to use WPA or WPA2 encryption. However, use WEP encryption if your Wi-Fi router is older. Upon successful connection, the message "Connection saved" will appear on your screen. Then you need to connect to your TESY account that you set up first. To do this, select Settings from the main menu, then mytesy.com and enter the email that you used for registration, also entering your name. Save the settings by pressing Save. To check the connection between the convector and your Wi-Fi network, select About the appliance from the main menu, where the MAC address and the ID of the module will appear. You can set up the server time by selecting Date and Time from the Settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select the country where you're located and press Save to confirm the settings. Due to the specifics of the temperature profile, there may be differences between the temperature indicated on the display and the temperature in various parts of the room. Therefore, we offer the temperature correction option, which you can access after selecting Settings and then Correction. Check the temperature displayed on the convector. Measure the temperature in the desired part of the room and then enter the difference in the degrees field. The range is from 0 to 4 degrees. You only need to press Save to save the setting. After you first access the Wi-Fi network of the convector, we recommend you set up a password for better security. You can do this by choosing from the Settings menu, Local Connection, slide the button off until On appears, and then in the Key field enter a password consisting of 8 to 40 characters without intervals. Press Save to save the password. If you wish to continue with the settings of the convector, you need to select again its Wi-Fi network and to enter the new password. After you open the application and enter your data, the Quick Access menu is ready for use, from which you can set up the various operational modes of the convector. Select the icon in the bottom left-hand corner and enter the Mode menu. Turn on Manual Mode, and you can set the desired temperature in the heated room by moving the slider to the left or to the right. You can program the convector's weekly operation schedule. To do this, select Program from the Mode menu and then press Editing. Then you'll see all the days of the week on the display. Select a day, then from the sub-menu, select a specific part of the day, morning or afternoon, and then set the desired temperature in the heated room for the respective hour. Pause while the various temperatures are being set. When you've finished setting the daily programs, press Save to save them. From the Quick Access menu, you can change the daily and hourly temperatures set, pause while the various temperatures are being set. In sleeping mode, the set temperature will gradually decrease by 3 degrees automatically over a period of 2 hours. In delayed start-stop mode, using the slider you can set the time when the appliance is to be switched on or off within 24 hours, depending on whether the appliance is in heating or off mode. You can check the consumed electrical energy by selecting the Electricity Meter menu, then entering the power rating of your appliance in watts as indicated on the product plate of the Convector, and then press the button Calculate. If you wish for the appliance to recalculate the consumed energy, press Reset. If you have several appliances, you can use the Grouping option. From the main menu, select the icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the respective appliance. A window will open where you have to set the name of the group and press Add to Group. If you wish to add another appliance to the same group, repeat the steps and make sure that you enter correctly the name of the already created group, as otherwise a new group will be created and you will not achieve the desired grouping. Upon successful completion, you'll see on the display a list of all appliances in the specific group arranged in alphabetical order. The settings made on the first heating appliance apply on all other appliances in the same group. There's no limitation regarding the number of groups that can be created and the number of appliances to be added to them. In order to remove one or several appliances from a group, select the icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the group panel and the symbol Delete will appear next to each appliance in the group. By pressing it, you'll remove the specific appliance from the respective group and it will appear as standalone. If you want to restore the factory settings, in off mode, press and hold simultaneously the arrows for temperature setting. When 2 small red lines appear on the display, stop pressing the arrows. The original Convector settings have been restored.
TESY, it's impressive.